This waterfall is literally within walking distance of our house. It's rained all day, all night, all week, all month, and we're expected to get more rain. Unbelievable.